Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can create a dual app in the mobile phone because sometimes we need to use to same application like to same WhatsApp, to same Facebook, to same messengers or any other same application in the mobile phone. So in this video I will show you how you can create a dual app in the mobile phone and how you can use it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the setting. I will show you two methods. So first method is that go to setting and then search here dual. After that, you will see dual messenger options and scroll down the page and you will see dual messenger options. Click on it. And here you can see WhatsApp, Snapchat and messengers. So when you will click on WhatsApp, then dual WhatsApp will be created in your mobile phone. So when you will click on Snapchat and then dual Snapchat will be created in the mobile phone. I will show you when I will go back. You can see that I have two same WhatsApp in the mobile phone. So in this way you can also see Snapchat. So you can see first Snapchat and here you can see second Snapchat. So in this way you can create a two same application in the mobile phone. So it is the first method. If first method will not work, then use the second method. So using the second method, open the Play Store and write here parallel space. So scroll down the page and then use parallel space light dual app. So download these applications. So after downloading and installing, click on open options and then click on agree and continue and then click on continue. Click on allow and allow. Here wait some second and then click on start. So you can see these are dual app in the mobile phone. So if you want to create other one, then click on add to parallel space. Click on accept. So click on add app. So you can use any application which you want to create a dual. So in this way you can create a dual app in the mobile phone. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.